Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2015, on a 65 plate Ford Fiesta Titanium. This is the 1 litre turbocharged petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Moondust silver metallic, and it's covered just 16,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around to this very low mileage Fiesta 5-door. September 2015 registered, just 16,000 miles. 2 owners from new. Current owners had the car since it was just 6 months old, so potentially a demonstrator or something of that nature beforehand. So the vast majority of its life. It's been incredibly well maintained despite the very low mileage. We've got 7 recorded services right the way through its life. So that's a service just over every 2,000 miles. So properly well looked after. This is a free road tax model as well, no road tax at all to pay. It's the 1 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine with a turbo, so it's got 99 brake horsepower, so it goes really nicely. Good fuel consumption, over 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run according to Ford. And with that free road tax you really can't go wrong. We've got these nice 16-inch silver alloy wheels, they're in good shape. And of course, looks the part in the Moondust silver metallic, and you've got that 5-door practicality as well. Titanium level of specification, so it's got a really nice level of trim as we have a look inside. Seats are all in excellent condition. Leather centre armrest, all the bolsters, no rips or tears or any nasties. All the door cards are in good condition as well. It does come supplied with 2 remote keys, electric front windows, electronically adjustable, and they're power folding door mirrors, which is a nice touch. It's got its carpet mats, automatic lights, up onto the steering wheel, which is also in really good shape. You've got your cruise control, you've got your Bluetooth and your radio controls, you've got a trip computer just poking around the side there, a couple of cup holders, manual handbrake, 12-volt socket, auxiliary and USB, 5-speed manual gearbox. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks. And then if I start the car up, there's your mileage, 16,235. It's got its Sony radio CD system, climate control at the bottom. It's also got Ford's heated front screen, which is a really nice touch, makes the windscreen clear in a matter of seconds in the winter. Start-stop facility, which of course you can switch off. And then up above, straightforward setup, radio CD, it all comes up on the screen up here. You've got DAB digital radio, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone as well, so really nice level of spec for everyday use. Slightly darkened rear windows, and then into the back again you've got your carpet mats. 2 headrests but with 3 proper seat belts, and of course the ISOFIX, so comfortable 5-seater, plenty of legroom as you can see. They're just cracking all-rounders, aren't they, really, the Fiestas? And then as we get round to the load space, parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, and then good sized boot space, really usable. And the luxury on this one, I believe, a spare wheel, and it looks as good as new. So there we have it, September 2015 Ford Fiesta Titanium in the Moondust silver, 16,000 miles from 2 owners with a 7 stamp service history. It's a free road tax model with the DAB radio, climate control, cruise control, 50 plus miles to the gallon. Finance is available from less than £180 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT along with 2 keys, and of course our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Cracking example, excellent economical running costs, won't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.